Welcome back. This is day 3 of our Excel course. In the last lesson, we learned about workbooks and worksheets. Today, we're going to learn how to move around inside Excel easily and confidently. When you open Excel, you see a big grid. This grid is made up of rows, columns, and cells. Rows run from left to right, and they are numbered 1, 2, 3, and so on. Columns run from top to bottom, and they are labeled with letters A, B, C. Where a row and a column meet, you get a cell. For example, this first cell here is called A1. Column A, row 1. Now look at this cell with the dark border. This is called the active cell. Whatever you type will go into this cell. Up here, you can see the name box. The name box shows the address of the active cell. Right now, it says A1. Next to it is the formula bar. This is where you can see or edit whatever is written inside the selected cell. Let's talk about moving around in Excel. You can click any cell using your mouse, but using the keyboard is much faster. Use the arrow keys to move one cell at a time, up, down, left, or right. Now watch this. If I press Ctrl and the right arrow key, Excel jumps to the last filled cell in that direction. The same works with Ctrl and the left, up, or down arrow keys. To quickly go back to the very first cell of the sheet, press Ctrl plus Home. This always takes you back to cell A1. You can also use page down to move down the sheet and page up to move back up. These shortcuts save a lot of time, especially when you work with large data. Now it's your turn to practice. Click on cell A1, then move to cell C10. After that, move to cell F20. Try to use the keyboard as much as possible. Finally, press Ctrl plus Home to return to the top. Great job! Today, you learned how rows, columns, and cells work, and how to move around Excel quickly using both the mouse and the keyboard. In the next lesson, we'll start entering real data into Excel, text, numbers, and dates. I'll see you in day 4.